First, let's get this out the way. We preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Dry ingredients. Quarter teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoons baking powder. I wonder if I should put baking soda. Do I want the texture? Yes, I do. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Sugar, half a cup. So we do quarter and quarter. Turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Now wet ingredients. 3 eggs. It's vanilla extract. Maybe a teaspoon. Melted butter. 4 teaspoons melted butter. Yogurt. 2 tablespoons. Quarter cup of milk. And let's do a quarter cup of bottled lemon juice. Okay, 425 is ready. I'm gonna put it in there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, change the temperature to 350 and leave it in there for 40 minutes. But keep an eye on it. Powdered sugar, lemon juice, and milk.
At 20 minutes, I loosely covered it with foil because I was happy with the color.